Tips for cleaning your dog's ears. Proper cleaning of your dog's ears is essential and should be done approximately once per week. As you might imagine, most dogs don't really like having their ears cleaned. To help you understand how to clean your dog's ears, it's important to know a little bit more about your dog's ear. A dog's ear canal is shaped differently than a human's. While ours is horizontal, a dog's is in the shape of an L. There are three main sections: the outer, middle, and inner ear. The outer ear is the flap, which can be either upright or floppy depending upon the breed. The middle ear, like a human, is the part that houses the tympanic membrane or eardrum. And the inner ear is where everything kind of connects to the brain. Everything starts with your dog's grooming. It's important to trim around their ears. This provides for good ventilation and will help to eliminate many problems. Before you begin cleaning your dog's ears, you should always check to see if there are any signs of infection. So what are the steps to cleaning your dog's ears? First, get your dog in an area where you can keep them relatively still and tilt their head to one side for cleaning. Squeeze ear wash solution into the ear canal, but don't put the bottle containing the solution too far in, and make sure you're only using a little bit of the solution. Massage the base of the ear. This allows the solution to travel through the ear canal. Tip your dog's head back and let the excess cleaning solution drain. You may want to allow your dog to shake his head, that way it helps to remove the excess solution as well. Take some cotton balls, remove any of the discharge from the outer ear. Then take some cotton swabs and clean the ear canal. Be very careful not to place the cotton swab down any further into the canal than you can actually see. Once you have cleaned the ear, it's a good practice to try and keep their outer ear up and let the middle ear dry out as long as possible. While cleaning your dog's ears is a good thing, extensive ear cleaning can actually cause damage to your dog's ear. So by keeping your cleaning routine once a week, your dog should be very happy and very healthy. For more tips about keeping your dog happy and healthy, visit us at applewoodandkennel.me.